Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Floating the shelf wonder create a sense of the openness with the floating sleeves that add up the storage without bulk. Compact cupboards to charm make to most small spaces with these compact cupboards featuring sliding door and sleek designs and vertical visual maximize storage and potential with tall, narrow, and cupboards that keep belongings to organized and out of sight. Hidden heaven to discover the magic of hidden storage the compartments to cleverly and integrated into the cupboard design and multifunctional to marvel and streamline your bedroom with this cupboard that combine storage and dryers to sleeves to and desk in the one sleek unit. Slide out to solution to access your blogging with this unique slide out storage to bins of baskets and dryers, mini wardrobe to magic experience with the efficiency of the compact wardrobes with pack and the big punch off in the small spaces. Step storage saves to storage unit to dryers and sleeves that provide storage without the overwhelming the room. Underbed houses to undercover the potential of the underbed storage. Containers to cupboard on the wheel that keep clutter at bay. Wall mounted to wonders elevate your bedroom with this wall mounted and the cabinets featuring glass doors that add the touch of the sophistications to that inspirations to highlight that unique features to benefit of the small bedroom cupboard ideas and corner cupboard to charm to utilize to corner spaces that cleverly designed and space that designed cupboard that maximize storage to potential to fold down the furniture. Discover the convenience of the fold down cupboards to serve desk table sleeves to hidden drawer heaven. Create a secret storage spots with the hidden dryers and compartments in the cupboards. I hope you like my video today. Don't forget this like and subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon for more videos update. Thanks for watching.